All right, so a big warm welcome back here once again, everybody. My name is Joseph James. If you're just sitting down here for the first time, thanks for coming in and seeing me today. We know your time is valuable. I'm just about to wrap up our quick worksheet recap where I take all my trades and I write them all down on my worksheet. As I always say, we take a good look at the man in the mirror, okay, and we have to prove to myself why I took these trades, and I'm going over these trades one by one with everybody right now. So I'm just about to finish up here. On the crude, we are in a short trade right now from 104, basically 68 or lower, 104.70 or lower. And we're going for a target here at 58, 58 target, and then 40 target will be a nice final target for us. This is a fast track. This fast track trade was called live in real time. We gave you guys the exact entry, we gave you the stop, and we gave you the target. So right now, you know, on this fast track, we have an 88 stop. Our entry was somewhere around that, 68. Maybe you got 69, 67, but around 68. Target's at 58, 40, and then all the way down to the lows of this channel. Okay, so we got one more trade to add to this worksheet, the one that I'm in right now. We have been watching crude dilly-dally all day. We've got one big winner on crude today. We got one loss on crude today. And we're trying to get a winner out of this one here. Made money on gold, Russell. Only thing we haven't traded today was the euro. Okay, 104.86. This trade here, again, on my trade management chart, lower right-hand corner, is a wave pattern long. Come on, crude. 58. 58, baby. We've been waiting for you. Get it filled there. Good job. All right. That's what we talk about, working together on that one. Good job. Now, we knew the buyers had failed. We knew the previous high of day would be right below it. And once again, we just finished taking profit on the fast track. Now, you can move your stop down if you'd like, but I'd like to see all those fast trackers leave that stop right there. Let's wait for another swing high now on the fast track. Wait for another swing high on the 13 range, and then we'll stop down. If you wanted to, and again, this is going to be for more experienced traders, you could put your stop on the 8 range chart, upper right-hand corner. You could put it right above that swing high if you want to. A little bit more aggressive. I'd rather see you fast trackers stick to this plan, though, and leave that stop where it is right now. But just so you're aware, I'm just giving you some other options here. If you're within the first 10 days of learning the fast track method, you want to stick to this plan and keep that stop where it needs to be. Now, get me below the previous high of day and we look great. Get me below the previous high of day and we look great. 104.86. I'm just finishing up the worksheet here. I'm going to move my stop down to entry now. So stop to entry now. Protect that capital. 104.86 was the long here on this lower right-hand corner snapshot. We went 86 to 91. That's 2 times 5 is 10. And then back down to 80. That's a -6 times 2 is a -12. So we lose a little bit on that trade. That was a 13 wave pattern long. A 13 range is a fast track pattern. And if you recall, it was this wave pattern at 11:23 when this wave pattern failed. We then picked right up on the fact the buyers were failing and the sellers were going to grab hold. It was this trade, 11:23, that we found out, okay, these buyers are not as strong as we thought they were. And then we quickly saw the 2-step pattern short that came up here on the crude, and things dropped. Good job. Good job on that short. Now it's all profit now. And then this last trade here, what do we got here? 104.69. Get that one marked down here. This was a 2-step pattern short, also a fast track, 104.69. I've got a 64, that's 5 times 2. I have a 58. 69 to 58 is plus 11. And then my stop's at 69. So if I get taken out right now at my stop, okay, if I get stopped out at this, it'll be the bare minimum of 21 ticks there. Buyers fail, sell the range highs, target previous low of day, and channel lows. Awesome job today, guys. Awesome work. So we got a couple unlucky bounces today. We definitely weren't without some challenging times in the morning. But we did a great job today picking up on the market personality this morning, though, didn't we? That was one thing we definitely did a good job today at. was that market personality. Now, before we talk about any more here today, I do want to remind everybody out there is risk out there in these markets. If you're hanging out with me here on a Thursday afternoon, almost Thursday afternoon, 11:45 Eastern Time right now, if you're hanging out with us here right now, we appreciate you spending your time with us. We know you got busy schedules. We know there are lots of other gurus out there these days online that supposedly know what they're talking about too, so we appreciate all your time today. We've had a great Thursday. We had jobless claims came out early.